My name is Faee Tarmadi. I'm the College Finance Manager for College of Science. Mental health is very, very important for me. Just like your physical and general health, I want my mental fitness to be at optimum level to be able to meet future challenges and when not so good times arise. I'm a family man. I have moderate size of team of staff that I look after, and I have very good friends in my life. Therefore, being healthy, looking after myself is important. I also want to be healthy and happy for these people. Good things, smiles, laughter, happiness are infectious, and you hope that you can pass this on to others when you are around them. Of course, it is important to look after myself first and not be bogged down by the expectations of others. The strategies I use to manage my mental health has been along the lines of consistency and making them a habit with a long-term perspectives rather than search and lull kind of approach. And we see this being unsuccessful when people trying to lose weight with dieting and a short-term intense exercise program. It doesn't seem to work. My strategies that I have used included meditation, prayers, and also slow jog outside. These are my practices. I do not necessarily consider them as conscious strategies, but they have been a part of me for a very long time. The common theme in these activities is the breathing aspect, and also being on my own, focusing on myself. Last one is sleep. Sleep is very important to me. If I need to, I will find a different room, a different bed, with the right level of lighting. It can be the floor with the right padding, just as long as I get my quality sleep. I do mention the state of my mental health to my colleagues, and I find it helpful for me. But I'm selective to whom I talk to. It is because I do not want to create unnecessary worry and misinterpretation. So far, it is just mainly talking, sharing opinions, and getting perspectives. These chats sometimes give me light bulb moments. I have good colleagues around me, my own staff, peers, and clients. They do check on me from time to time. Of course, my bosses, Kate, previously Jen Nord, and Kieran, have always been supportive and provided guidance about work and about life in general. So I'm grateful that I have these people around me that I can talk to. I accept that mental health is still an uncomfortable topic and not everyone is willing to open up. That is okay. Even I manage this sensitively with my staff and my family members. Relationships and trust take time. As long as safe space and support are made readily available, people will utilize them as they get more comfortable. What we do not want is that when someone needs the support, it is not there. And then could be too late. Having community sharing the same philosophy on mental health surely helps. In fact, greatly. In my opinion, it minimizes stigma. They initiate conversation when they see changes in you over time. It's much more comfortable. They intervene at the right moment. They ask the right questions, use the right language, with the right level of sensitivity to get you to engage. More importantly, being in an inclusive community makes someone feel like they can always get the support when they need it. People can choose to be alone by preference, but they will never feel lonely. Whatever stage we are in as an individual, community, and organization, the work on mental health never stops. And we should continuously strive to be better at it.